Hey guys, this is Gorf, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh and easy human pot pie. First you're going to want to take a pie tin, and I use about 500 potatoes, 300 carrots, about 1,000 peas, 10 pounds of salt, 10 pounds of pepper, and of course your protein, about 5 or 6 fresh humans. I found that using fresh meat makes all the difference. There's really no contest between frozen humans and these bad boys. These little guys came from Southern California. I climbed down from the clouds and ripped the roof off an office building, and look how fresh they are. Almost constant futile attempts to escape. For the best flavor, you'll want to keep these puny mortals alive. They'll run around a little bit, but don't be discouraged if they lose an arm or a leg or two. It's totally fine. Now let's put it all together. It is just that easy.
Don't worry, everyone. I got this.
Again, you probably want them alive at this point, but if any of them give you any extra trouble, just, this is a little gross, squeeze them until they die. If you lost any arms or legs earlier, just throw them in now. They'll be fine. Now just place it near a volcano and wait about 40 minutes. And look at that. It's beautiful. Notice how putting them in alive creates these sort of frozen in time, horrified looks on the crust. Exquisite. And that's it. Just a few easy steps and you'll have your own human pot pie in no time. It's just that easy. Click here to subscribe, and click here to see a fun way to spice up your golden egg omelets.
Hi, it's Zach from College Humor. Thanks for watching. You can click here to subscribe, or you can click over here for something else fun. You can also click here if you want to feed me clicks. I like them. Clicks.